Ah, ich soll trotzdem weitermachen, oder? Egal, Digga, wir schauen uns jetzt erstmal MRBEAST an!
This is a $100 million mega mansion, and it's
Digga.
possibly the most luxurious house ever built
Alter.
by mankind. And we're gonna be comparing living in this house to living in this $69 million art house that's built to withstand a literal tsunami. A $30 million palace with its very own water park. And everything in between, all
Mann, ich will auch zur MRBEAST-Gruppe gehören, da hat man voll Spaß.
the way down to this $1 barely functioning house. More of a shed. Well, it's only $1. Why does this house cost $1?
Yeah, we get another storm. It's probably going to go into the water. So it's worth $1 for me to just to get rid of it.
So you would say this is a horrible investment
Digga, ich will's nehmen, Bro. 1 Euro?
for me.
Yes, indeed.
Let's do it. Let's go. Oh, this is sketchy. What are the odds I fall through?
Pretty high.
Bro, these are wobbly.
Digga.
I like how that chair is just like holding on for real life. We have a recliner, a mattress, and half a floor.
I can literally fish from inside of the house. Yo, I caught one.
Whoa!
That's just a lure, I'm sorry.
Oh. Now that you see us having fun, do you regret selling it?
I do not.
What if I gave you $2 to buy it back off me?
No.
All right, I tried.
I have an idea.
Hä, aber das ist doch... Verkauft doch für 50 Euro wenigstens dann.
Let's get out of this house.
Later in this video, we have a house that costs 100 million times more than this. And because I never plan on setting foot in this worthless shack again, let's head over to something a little nice.
Digga, er switcht von 1 Euro Haus auf 1 Million Haus. Sorry, Digga.
Speaking of which, we're at the $1 million house, which technically means you need to be a millionaire to buy this house.
Digga, cringe, das sieht aus wie normaler... Ja, obwohl, ein normaler Haus kostet 1 Million, ne?
Let's show you how a millionaire lives. My first impression is it's way bigger than my house. When you pay $1 million, you get a pretty good
Ja,
size
das sieht halt normal aus, ne?
kitchen.
Nein, ja. In Luxemburg auf jeden Fall. In Luxemburg, wenn du ein Haus hast, 1 Million.
Along with 4 bedrooms that look normal, but they keep going because this bedroom has a closet here, which leads into a bathroom that is bigger than
Oh,
a
Junge,
house.
bitte.
Bathtub is gigantic. I'm 6'5" and I could fit in this perfectly comfortably.
And even though the bathrooms are all stocked with bidets,
Und du hast 2, ja, nee, in Luxemburg. Das hier ist nicht, ja doch, das ist auch in Luxemburg, oder? Das hier, wo ich gerade bin, 350, glaube ich. Oder ein bisschen mehr, 350, actually richtig billig. 350 oder 400. 350 oder 400.000, das geht, Digga, das ist nix eigentlich, Bro.
the best seat in the house
Digga, Haus mit 2 Etagen und Garten. Was willst du mehr, Digga?
is definitely downstairs. Oh snap, they have a movie theater.
Dude, these chairs are massage chairs.
Wait, what?
Cool, da kannst du einen Garten machen.
Chairs
4 Etagen. Kann man sein Haus updaten noch? Geht das?
each have
Nee.
two
Ja,
remotes.
2 remotes. On top of the movie theater, there's also an arcade. I was not expecting all
Digga,
these
das alles ist im 1 Million Haus. Warum habe ich das nicht?
features from $1 million.
Yo, this house is awesome.
I'd have so much more friends if I owned a place like this. And ending with the pool, which
Yeah,
comes complete
sorry,
with this
Digga.
unnecessary waterfall.
Bro.
Overall, I'd say this was a pretty fun house to live in. But of course, we're all here to see the richest of the rich. And that's why up next we have the $15 million house.
Digga.
Are you pushing it? Oh my god.
Alter.
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 This looks like the house that you try to get to in GTA.
That view is crazy. The pool is much smaller than the $1 million house, but you can literally oversee all of LA.
Help! Hey! Hey!
Stop.
Bei
Go
euch sind nur die Grundstücke so teuer und nicht die Häuser selbst. Ah, check.
inside. I need new friends. Let's check out the house. The person who owns this house, what do you think he does for a living?
NFTs.
He's a lawyer. This guy was the top attorney in 2017 and the #1 lawyer in 2021. Apparently that's all it takes to afford this house. It appears a note was left for us. Dear Mr. Beast, thank you for visiting my home. You have given me the ultimate gift. I have a trump card with my kids forever. Aw.
Also, please don't eat any
Was? Ich habe nichts
of
verstanden.
the sand.
Oder hat MrBEAST mittlerweile eigentlich Deutsch? Audio-Track. Mann, der kann Deutsch, der Wichser. Och, Manno. Aber ich weiß, dass er bei Japanisch diese Grundschule von Naruto hat, Bro. So scheiße.
Forever. Aw.
Also, please don't eat any of the sandwiches. They are very sacred to me, and my family's been passing it down from generation to generation.
Got it. Down or up?
Down.
Down it is. Okay, now it's starting to look nice.
The lower floor of this mansion comes with its very own movie theater and personal gym.
This treadmill requires a passcode to use. 6969.
It's not 6969.
A guest bedroom, entertainment area, and a bar where the owner left us a bunch of free food.
Guys, before you eat anything,
Yep.
what if he left this out so he could sue us for eating his... Well, too late now, Carl ate it.
And an incredible underground view of the swimming pool.
Nee, das finde ich scheiße. Weil, stell dir vor, du bummst oder bist nackt mit deiner Freundin, Digga, und dann können die hier halt gucken. Checkst dir? Das ist scheiße. Yeah! Oder du wiggelst dir an oder so.
Nolan's trying to swim in the background for the shot. I don't think he realized we stopped filming him.
Back again? Yeah, do it one more time.
And now, a master bedroom with another crazy view. Carl, come here.
You missed.
We got another one.
Ah, you missed again.
Digga, das
Oh wait,
fällt
no,
gleich.
stop it!
Nolan, stop this cushion also!
Stop throwing the cushion.
If it goes over the edge.
Der Pool erinnert mich daran.
Ja.
She might sue me.
And so, to avoid being handed court papers, we decided to fly all the way across the country to Massachusetts for the $30 million house. This extraordinary
Bruder,
16
das ist ganz Europapark, Digga.
bedroom estate has 4 different buildings. In the main house, there are multiple living rooms.
But this one
Aber ich finde das Haus scheiße. Ich würde da niemals wohnen.
is the best of the living rooms
Guck mal, wie das aussieht, Digga. Viel zu altmodisch.
in this property.
This is grand.
What is this?
The Oval Office.
What book would you expect here besides The Way to Wealth by Benjamin Franklin?
Bro made the light bulb and a book?
Well, Edison made the light bulb, not Ben Franklin.
What the hell did Ben Franklin do?
I'm gonna read this book.
Past the living room and the office was the grand kitchen, where the owner had left a little gift
Alter!
for us.
The owner of this
Junge, das ist
The
Schule,
living
wenn
room
man,
and
wenn
the
man
office was the grand kitchen, where the owner
Kochunterricht hat oder sowas.
had left a little gift for us.
The owner of this place got rich making candles, so he made us custom Mr. Beast candles.
That one smells like the beach.
It does. How do they put the beach in a candle?
And to top off the house's main building, Chandler discovered that.
She can hit golf balls off the roof.
But that's not even
Big
close to the
fenster.
coolest thing about this place. Because next door is a garage filled with exotic cars.
This looks like a garage out of a video game.
They got Lamborghinis on top of Lamborghinis.
It's like a candy store for adults.
And the best part is, this is just one of 2 car garages. Follow me.
There's more?
Bro, there's more cars in here than the other one.
Holy crap.
All right, now I am
What the
convinced if we
fuck?
steal a car, he would not notice.
How do you even buy these cars? Hey, I want 3 of the same ones.
It's like a full-time job to buy this many cars. There's stairs in the corner. Let's see where they go. Bro, this is like a closet with cars. Underneath the car garage is another army of cars. They should really invest in a light switch down here. They have 20 cars down here, but no lights.
Nein. Nein. Bro.
No way.
No.
Digga, das ist... Bitte subbt rein.
That's why there wasn't a light switch. I was like, who can afford to shove 30 cars in their basement, but not electricity?
Now don't get me wrong, all of the rooms in this house have been awesome so far. But if I owned it, I don't think I would ever leave this next building.
This is awesome.
Digga.
That's right, for some just ungodly
What
reason.
the fuck? Okay, das ist ein Wipe, Digga. Alter.
Whoever built this place thought it would be a good idea to install an entire indoor tennis court.
I just want to remind you that we are playing tennis inside a house. I also have no idea how to play tennis. Gang squad, follow me.
Boah, ich hab voll Bock auf Tennis jetzt.
What?
No way.
Ach so,
Two-story
ja,
arcade.
klar,
The arcade in
natürlich.
this house is actually 20 times bigger than the one in the $1 million house.
Whoa.
But that's not all.
Bro, this place literally has
ja,
everything.
gleich kommt Fußballfeld.
I'm never leaving. We're playing ping pong in a basketball court in a house.
first try, baby.
All the features of the $30 million house have been pretty cool, but this next room is what makes this place truly special.
Head up these stairs for the best part of the estate. What you really want to see is right over here. Look at this. This is an indoor water park.
Whoa.
It's like a whole nother world in here.
Look how far back the drone is, and it's still going.
Go have fun, but don't break anything.
Roger that.
We're all about to go down the slide together. Und wir sitzen mal wieder auf unserem fetten, versifften Arsch zu Hause im Zimmer. Wir nicht, du hast Geld. Ja, das stimmt mittlerweile auch nicht mehr.
Enjoy the water park. I'll see you at the next house.
The only bad news is it's across the entire country. The good news is
It's a $45 million mega mansion. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
This is like the most open house I've ever been in.
What?
I don't know what majestic thing this is, but it's beautiful.
as you can probably tell, these houses are starting to get
Ich finde das lower als das. Wir gucken mal weiter.
so expensive, I don't even know how to describe them anymore.
Honestly, lost for words. This is quite possibly the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
So I called in multi-billionaire
I'm
Mark
not a
Cuban to help us out.
How's it going?
Hey, good to see this place.
How's it going, little man?
Mark's also the proud owner of the
Weckt ihr
Dallas
Sohn?
Mavericks basketball team. And because this
Taschengeld?
house has its very own basketball court, you can imagine we got a little distracted.
Jimmy won't make it. Buckets. All right, just steal it from Carl.
Hit that!
No shot.
We get those! Yes! Go. Easy layup, bud. Yeah!
There we go. Next point wins. All you. Hit it. Game winner.
Oh, no! Yeah! Way to dominate, Jakers.
Now we're going to show Mark around the rest of the house, now that we're all sweaty.
Mann, Digga, alle Reichen. Warte mal. Ich bin was krasses auf der Spur gerade. Alle Reichen haben immer diese Falten hier. Checkt ihr hier, okay? Und wenn man lacht, kommen diese Falten. Heißt, er hat diese Falten, weil er viel lacht. Warum lacht er viel? Er ist reich!
It's the house, now that we're all sweaty.
To find out if he thought it was worth the steep
Oder er pumpt sich fett Lachgas.
$45 million price tag.
In case you're wondering, we didn't go swimming.
You know, it looks like I did go swimming. And how much do they want for this house?
45. Not worth it?
Because it's Brentwood, that's probably half of it.
Is Brentwood what that is?
Okay, dem gehört nicht für das Haus. GG.
The neighborhood.
Ich dachte, dem gehört das
I
Haus.
also thought he was talking about the wood in the house.
Oh, warte, ich nutze die Chance ganz kurz. Und werde nun bekannt geben, dass ich nie wieder live gehe auf Twitch. Haut rein. Weiter geht's.
That's funny.
Let's
This
play.
bathroom over here is nice.
schon lange
Do you
nicht mehr
have a
gesagt.
couch in your bathroom?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. We need to get on Mark's level.
The number one rule is you have to have a heated seat.
That's it?
That feeling when you sit
Boah,
down.
Alter. Heated Seat ist wirklich das krasseste, was es gibt. Wirklich. In Japan, Digga, gab's das auch sehr oft. Boah, Alter. Das ist so geil.
It is not cool. I agree. You don't need to make billions to be happy. You just need to be able to afford a bidet and a heated toilet seat.
Because that's where I spend most of my time.
Well, even though I'm sure Mark would love to spend more time here on the toilets, our time here has officially ran out. So,
I'll see you guys at the
Boah, was smart. Man sollte am meisten Geld wasten in Bett und in Toiletten, weil man da auch sehr viel Zeit verbringt. Boah.
next house.
up next, we have a house whose price point happens to be a funny number.
And now we are at the $69 million mansion. That looks like a villain owns it.
It does look villainous.
How's this compare to your house, Miranda?
It's a lot bigger than mine.
That can't be true. What's your address?
Kali? BTF?
The reason why this
Digga, das ist ein Kali!
weird-looking house can still go on the market for $69 million is because it's filled to the brim with priceless art and sculptures sourced from all around the world.
Throw up how much these artworks are worth, and we're gonna try to guess it. How much do you think this is worth?
I'm gonna say 100,000.
What do you think, Miranda?
I'm gonna go with 80.
Oh, she has one of these in her house.
Yeah, I have.
Only you know the actual price. Oh wait, actually this one will be a fun one. I'm gonna go with $1 million.
Bruder, Digga, Bruder, bitte erklär mir, wo da 500k sind. Digga, rote Hintergrund mit schwarze, keine Ahnung, was das ist. Kann ich 1:1 nachmachen für dich für 100k.
Because it's like right down the opening stairs, so
450,000.
very precise.
Very specific.
The $30 million house had a water park, 100 cars. This place just has artwork.
Big red sculpture thing.
This room over here, we promised them 30 times we wouldn't touch what's in it. Come over here.
No touching anything.
Yes.
What is it?
This is a one-of-one, fully analog, custom home sound system. Made by the creator of the Walkman, which was one of the first devices that allowed you to listen to music while walking.
That's an impressive thing to have under your belt, to made the Walkman.
I don't think you could fit this under your belt.
Let's traverse across the skywalk.
Oh my god, I'm excited.
Another reason why this house is built so strange, for example, having to walk across sky bridges to get anywhere, is because it's been meticulously built to be able to withstand the force of a real tsunami. I mean, you gotta admit, that's pretty cool.
Wow.
You can see the
Ja,
tsunamis
die Frage ist nur, ob es dann wirklich einem Tsunami standhält.
before they hit your house and you stop them. What completes the view is the neighbor's backyard. You can see all of it.
What if the man who lives here is secretly in love with the person that lives next door?
That's his ex-girlfriend.
It's a Romeo and Juliet.
And after checking out the last 2 rooms inside, I had a surprise waiting for us outside.
Look over there.
What?
These nuts. Did you guys even notice the planes drawing that?
No. How on earth did they do that?
I paid these planes and also bought 1,000 billboards all across America to let everyone know that Feastables is the best tasting chocolate you can buy. Stop eating Hershey's and other boomer brands. Feastables is modern chocolate. Also, because Halloween's coming up and all these retailers you see here, we're now selling these bags of these smaller Feastables bars so you can give them out during trick-or-treating. If you don't want
Nicht in Deutschland.
to be lame on Halloween, make sure you give away Feastables to trick-or-treaters.
Luckily, our candy is very affordable, but you want to know what's not very affordable? The final house. Or should I say, the $139 million,
Arguably most luxurious house on the planet, Mega Mansion.
100 Millionen, Digga.
this massive 36,000 square foot mansion has things you'd never see in any
Alter.
other house. From a nightclub, to a T-Rex, to an entire robotic car elevator, this place is going to blow your mind. And to make this house tour a little extra special, we brought Justin Timberlake.
How you guys doing?
And this is Justin's house, and he's gonna shelter.
No.
Holy crap. Have you ever seen a view better than this in your life?
This
Wer
is
ist Justin Timberlake, Bro? Ich kenne den Namen, aber ich habe keine Ahnung, was er macht. Musik?
gorgeous.
Yeah, man, you guys really, the CGI is perfect. It looks real.
Ja?
He's like, yeah.
Was hat er, was ist sein krassester Song? Oh, das ist Can't Stop the Feeling.
Top 10.
I'd put it top 5.
It's hard to describe just how big this mansion really is. It has 12 bedrooms and 17 bathrooms split across 3
Ich frag mich
massive
immer, wer lebt in sowas?
stories, all with a perfect view of the Los Angeles skyline.
I always judge a house by the kitchen. Minimalist kitchen.
You judge these things. How are you feeling?
Well, let's keep going.
At the end of the tour, we'll get his opinion on if he would pay $100 million. He has it on standby if he likes it.
Straight
Warum hat jeder Reiche diese hellblaue Jeanshose? Monte hatte die auch. Warum hat das jeder?
cash, homie.
Everything in this house is built out of the most expensive materials on the planet. For example, the walls in this room are constructed entirely out of rare marble imported straight from Italy.
You guys got to get an estimate or something of how much marble's actually in this house. I mean, that's like custom done.
Yeah, there's not a single thing of drywall in this entire house.
Drywall. It's a pretty sick chandelier.
This chandelier is over $1 million, and the ceiling literally started dipping because it weighs so many thousands of pounds.
Alter, ich hätte so Bock, mich da rein... Ich einfach da reinspringen und alles mitreißen und alles kaputt machen, Alter.
It really keeps going.
You didn't tell me it was $1 million. I was playing with it earlier.
There's literally $6 million of just chandeliers in this house. And the rooms on the bottom floor get even better.
There's a whole other house down here.
If you come over here, I think this is literally an ice room.
Is this where you lock me in? Please don't. Yep.
So, like, what are you doing here?
They ran out of room ideas.
Probably a 50% chance we're locked in here because that doesn't have a handle. Oh no, we're good. That would have been funny if we were.
Oh, his face.
Is that a real dinosaur? Now that you know the house has a dinosaur, are you more apt to buy it?
Ist das real?
I'm still on the fence.
What?
Is this a locker room?
No one currently owns.
Ich denke nicht, dass die Welt flach ist, ne? Ich denke nicht, dass irgendwie die Regierung uns irgendwie Sachen eingepflanzt hat mit Impfung, aber ich glaube nicht an Dinosaurier, Digga. Ich kann daran nicht glauben, es geht nicht.
This house, so they put name tags of the few people on the planet that can actually afford it. Warren Buffett's worth like 80 billion, Ellison's worth
Nachgewiesen, ja trotzdem. Ich check das irgendwie nicht.
Worth like 50 billion, Bezos like 100 billion. Chandler, why is your name not up here?
All right, let's check out the whips.
Nolan, are you just posing?
I'll just be sitting here.
You really matched the house.
Thank you. I was going for that.
Yeah.
I was going for that.
Job well done.
Nolan's gonna go in the editing room and clip that.
This $2.5
Ich meine, aber keiner chillt da auf Serious.
million car elevator is one of the most insane features in the whole house. Basically, you select which car you want to drive on the tablet, and it literally sends it up 2 floors right into the garage.
I know what you're thinking. The main problem with this is it only stores 6 Lamborghinis, and you needed like a 10-car storage.
Right.
This house also had by far the biggest home theater I've ever seen in my life.
Whoa.
This almost looks like a real movie theater.
This is the best movie theater so far.
Ja,
And they're actually reclining chairs.
It only costs 100 mil.
Mann, ich will mal in so ein Kino mit Betten, Digga. Das ist safe so geil.
Check it out, Jimmy. Wait, what's this? Press my massage button.
Oh, I got you.
Hey, I don't need this.
Bro, where's my button? My chair's not even doing that. Here, switch. Let me see.
Was ist das? Schule zur Weichteilanatomie. Einige Dinosaurierfossilien enthalten Weichteile, die gut erhalten sind. Dies ermöglicht es, wissenschaftliche Informationen über Muskeln, Haut und Federn zu gewinnen. Sind Weichteile Penisse oder was ist das?
Yeah, Chandler, test the massage feature.
Ja, wahrscheinlich sind die Penisse von denen noch unter der Erde, hä?
Oh my god, it works.
There's no way this is just the only one here. Man, this is great.
Bro, what is wrong with him? All right, lead the way upstairs. This is a primary bedroom over here.
Aber das Haus ist überlangweilig.
Oh, and then
So
over
krass.
here, the bathrooms. In case you've ever wanted to shower with 10 people, now you can.
That's my thing, man.
Bro, what
You can
the
take a
fuck?
bath with no one, basically only yourself. But showering, you can fit an army in there.
That's what you're into.
He is.
And now the best part of the
Dann Mystery Box machen wir nach dem Video auf.
house, over at the pool. The real reason this house costs so much. I'm pressing it.
Is this a screen?
It is absurdly
Nein.
large.
And slow.
It gives drama, though.
It is, exactly. This is very
It gives a
suspenseful.
dramatic effect.
Bro, was?
I mean, it's a little bit of a flex.
What a gorgeous view of LA.
Yeah, imagine if the screensaver was LA.
I think it is.
It is.
There's downtown LA, and there's downtown LA.
For reference, Carl's like 6'5".
Yeah, something like that, give or take.
And look
Das
how
Wald. Ach, wegen der
tall the
Musik.
TV is compared to him. All right, Justin, you've seen the whole house. We need to know. Obviously, you have $100 million in cash sitting outside.
Right.
Are you gonna buy the house?
Nolan's shirt comes with it.
You don't like my shirt?
Your shirt comes with it?
Yes.
I'm in. Does the bear that ripped up the shirt come with it?
Let's go.
I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you around.
To buy the house you just saw, check out 1200 Bel Air in Los Angeles.
Hä? Hat er gerade Werbung für dieses Haus gemacht?
You guys enjoyed. I'll see you around.
To buy the house you just saw, check out 1200 Bel Air in Los Angeles.
Digga, er hat einfach Werbung gemacht damit. Hä? Digga, ich bin ehrlich mit dir. Wenn wir alle es schaffen würden, was ist eine realistische Zahl? 10.000 Euro zusammenzulegen, Digga, wir würden es nicht hinbekommen. Nicht mal ansatzweise, nicht mal Hälfte, nicht mal 25%. Digga, nicht mal, wenn alle meine Follower auf Twitch mitmachen, Bro. Glaube ich, warte. 700 mal 10.000, Digga. Ist das 7 Millionen oder 7? Das ist krass. Digga, wenn alle 700.000, die mir folgen, mir 10.000 Euro geben würden. Oh, wait, das ist 7 Milliarden? Oh, ja, nee, dann habe ich nichts gesagt. Aber ist egal. Idiot, halt deine Fresse, Mann. Ich hab doch keine Ahnung.